Jakey, what are you doing by Maddie's breakfast? Jakey wants to eat some of your breakfast, doesn't he? How come he got up there? He's not supposed to be there when you're eating. What are you having for breakfast, Maddie? Show me. Dippy egg, bacon, and toast. Eat your bakies, honey. Jake. Hi, buddy. What are you doing there? Oh, so he gets down. Say hi.
Hi.
Say hi to Rico.
Hi.
Say, I just got up.
I just got up.
Yeah, you were a sleepy girl, weren't you? Did you have fun at Knoebels the other day?
Mm-hmm.
What ride did you like the best?
The Ferris wheel and the boat and what else did I like?
Oh my goodness, how about the spook house?
No.
Why? Were you scared? But they're only what? Plastic monsters.
Look at Jakey. Look it. Someone's eating your string.
He's eating the string on the camera. As long as he doesn't go by your food. Jakey.